Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, we have learned how to reverse the string. Now, in front of you, you can see on screen, there is one program of reverse string. I am just running the program for more clarity. See, I have taken one string as a Dheeraj, then I have reversed it. You can see into the console. Now, we have to learn one more program regarding to the string. बस इसमें हमें क्या करना है, जो भी सेंटेंस में दो स्ट्रिंग है या तीन स्ट्रिंग है उसे हम रिवर्स करेंगे, ईच वर्ड को रिवर्स करेंगे. सो फॉर दिस लॉजिक, to reverse the each word of string into the sentence, we have to one logic. Let's see what is the logic. First we have to declare one variable as a output for the printing the output. Okay, string output is equal to empty space, then we have printing as it is our input string before the reversing the string. Okay, input. Now you can check what output we are getting. See, as it is, we get as it is output without reversing the string. Now we are reversing the string. To reverse the each string of in sentence, we have to do one logic, split logic. Okay, so just input dot split method, just enter the delimiter outside the bracket, initialize the variable, and let's see what is the local variable of the word is a string array. Now we are taking one more variable to preserve the reverse string. So I'm entering the name of reverse string, reverse word. Okay, is equal to empty. Then we start the main logic here, words word. Then we have to declare as a string. Then one more for loop for the indexing purpose and length purpose. We are initializing the I here. I is equal to word dot length, and take one minus length minus one for the reversing purpose. Then I is greater than or equal to 0. Then decrement we have to do for the reverse string. After that, start the curly braces. In that we have to write reverse string logic. For the reverse string, we have to preserve the reverse string. Then concat the word with the caret indexing, जिसमें हम एक एक वैल्यू स्ट्रिंग की एक एक वैल्यू कंपेयर करेंगे और माइनस करते जाएंगे बाय यूजिंग दिस लॉजिक. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू जस्ट enter the output is equal to output plus reverse string plus just comma. Here is the logic for the reversing the each word of string. Now we are just printing the output after the reversing the given string. Okay, let's check what we'll get in console. Let's save the program and check whether we are writing a right logic for the reverse each string into the sentence. See, firstly we have taken one string and print as it is. Okay, after that we split the string to remove this space. After the splitting, we preserve the string into the word keyword as a string. Then we pass the length method and caret method. Length method is used to measure the length of given string, and caret method is used to indexing purpose. Okay, so we just preserve the string here, do the logic with the caret method, and just print the output, and you can see we will get the desired output. ऐसे ही अभी हमको ये आउटपुट मिला है. अगर लॉजिक में समझ में आया और कुछ डाउट हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करना, और वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब. ओके, बाय.